Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting access to the WLC console and verifying prerequisites. Log in over console or SSH as admin. Check the management IP and gateway so you can reach the unit from your laptop. Make sure a TFTP or FTP server is up for image and config transfers, and that DHCP with option 43 is available for AP discovery. Once done, confirm the management VLAN is reachable from your network and you have the right credentials. This prevents delays when you push the first config. Now configure the WLC itself. Set a clear hostname and domain so certificates and logs are consistent. Configure NTP and DNS next, because time and resolution affect authentication and certificate validation. Create the management interface and a secondary fallback IP if available for redundancy. Define mobility groups and controller priorities if you have multiple WLCs. Then build your WLAN profiles, SSID, security WPA2/WPA3, VLAN tagging, and finish by registering access points and confirming CAPWAP tunnels are up and using the expected software image. This prevents compatibility problems. Test client flows. Obtain DHCP, pass authentication, and resolve DNS names, then run a basic throughput test. Verify policies like ACLs and CO-S are applied. If something goes wrong, focus troubleshooting on CAPWAP logs, NTP time skew, certificate errors, and VLAN mismatches between switch trunks and WLC mappings. Those are the most common causes of AP or client failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.